Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clone a GitHub repository. First of all, you have to open the repository on your browser which you want to clone or you want to duplicate. Here you will see a green button called code. You have to click on it. And here you will see a link. We'll use this link to clone our repository. You have to click on the copy button right next to the link. Once copied, open your file manager and head over to the specific folder where you want to clone the repository. For example, I have made an empty folder, and now on the top address bar of your file manager, you have to click on it and type cmd and click on enter. Now the command prompt will open in the specific folder that you have chosen. Now here you have to type exactly git space clone :, paste the link of the repo and close the double quote. Make sure not to make any spelling mistakes and hit on enter. As soon as you hit the enter button, then you will see the repo has been cloned and been downloaded into the specific folder in your PC. And that's how you can clone a GitHub repository. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.